It's cold, it's dark. The last thing you want to do is go out on a run, but you don't need us to tell you that your body and mind will feel so much better for it. We all hit the winter fitness wall at some point, but no matter where you are in your running journey, there are some simple steps you can take to make things a little bit easier and even more enjoyable. Here, we chat with all sorts of in-the-know people for their advice on clocking up those miles no matter what the weather throws at you. Related article: 5 Reasons to Take Up Trail Running. Advertisement. Continue reading below. If you're new to running, don't let the weather put you off. Winter's a great time to hit the road on foot. As double Olympic champion Dame Kelly Holmes says, cold weather means you won't get too hot, which means it puts less strain on your body. Your main focus should be on staying safe. Bear in mind pavements may be icy, so opt for grass or trail runs which won't get as slippery in the frost. As for kit, freelance stylist Charlotte Cooley says this is the time to invest in technical gear. Ensure layers are breathable and wicking so they trap heat, not sweat. Man-made fabrics such as nylon are great, but natural ones like merino will work too. If it's really cold, cycling gloves are handy, but if it's only a little chilly, a top with long sleeves and thumb holes gives warmth without committing you to full coverage for your whole run. How to train. Start small if you're a beginner. Focus on starting slowly, and aim to jog without stopping for 5 minutes, then walk for 5. Tackle as many 5-minute jog-walk cycles as your stamina will allow, aiming to make it to 30 minutes in total. If you're starting from scratch, small steps are key. The Runner's World First Mile campaign is the perfect program for first-time runners looking to build the fitness over time. If you put the work in, that first mile will come along sooner than you think. Getty Michael DeYoung. If you want to run further, the secret to upping your distances might, surprisingly, mean doing something other than running, says performance coach Kim Ingleby. Cycling, swimming or taking a Pilates class once a week will work your muscles in a different way, improving your strength and stamina as well as reducing your risk of injury. This is particularly important in winter when you're more likely to take a tumble because of icy or wet conditions. The plus side: you can do a lot of these things indoors. How to train. Switch up your speed. Fartlek sessions, Swedish for speed play, are every distance runner's secret weapon. Not only do they boost your endurance, they also change up an otherwise dull long run. Once a week, jog alternately fast and slow as many times as you like, using lampposts as markers for when to change speed. Advertisement. Continue reading below. If you want to run faster, make friends with your nearest hill, says Kim. You won't feel fast when you're slogging up it, but hill work makes the massive difference to your pace when you get back to a flat surface, as it gets you incredibly fit fast. How to train. Small dose sprinting tempo sessions are a super effective way to push up your mph. Warm up with 5 minutes of gentle jogging before doing 5 sets of 3 minutes hard but comfortable running, about 80% of your maximum possible speed, with a minute's gentle jogging in between. Getty Patterson. If you want to lose weight, running burns calories fast. But although it's super tempting, you need to make sure you don't replace them with lots of wintry comfort foods, says nutritionist Lindsay Heffernan. Eat small amounts of healthy fats and proteins like avocado and nuts. They'll keep you fueled up for your runs and help your body recover afterwards without lots of unnecessary calories, so you'll build lean muscle.